The signs of puberty are three: reaching the age of 15 years, for both males and females, at the age of 9 years, menstruation, at the age of 9 years.
Conditions for using stones for asthenia. There are 8 conditions for using stones. 3 stones must be used. The area must be thoroughly clean. The impurity must not have dried. The impurity must not have moved beyond its original place. No other impurity must have come into contact with the area. The impurity must not extend beyond the surrounding area and the glands. The area must not have been affected by water. The stones must be pure. The 6 obligatory acts of wudu are: 1. Intention, niyyah. 2. Washing the face. 3. Washing both arms, including the elbows. 4. Wiping part of the head. 5. Washing both feet, including the ankles. 6. Tartib, order, performing these obligatory acts in the prescribed order. Intention, niyyah. Intention means intending to do something at the same time as performing it. Its place is the heart, while verbally stating the intention is sunnah. The time for the intention is when washing the first part of the face. Tartib, order, means not performing one body part before another. Water. Water is either small in quantity or large in quantity. A small amount is less than 2 kwaz, while a large amount is 2 kwaz or more. A small amount of water becomes impure when an impurity falls into it, even if its characteristics do not change. A large amount of water does not become impure unless its taste, color, or smell changes. There are 6 things that require ghusl: ritual purification bath, sexual penetration, the emission of semen, menstruation, postpartum bleeding, childbirth, and death. Conditions of wudu. There are 10 conditions for wudu. 1. Being Muslim. 2. Being of sound understanding and discernment, tamyiz. 3. Being free from menstruation and postpartum bleeding. 4. Removing anything that prevents water from reaching the skin. 5. Ensuring that there is nothing on the body part that changes the water. 6. Knowing that wudu is obligatory. 7. Not believing that any obligatory part of wudu is merely sunnah. 8. Using pure and purifying water. 9. The proper prayer time has entered. 10. Maintaining continuity in wudu for a person with continuous ritual impurity.